Unlocking the power of let's get together. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful English phrase, let's get together. This simple phrase holds a lot of meaning and is widely used in various contexts. Understanding it can significantly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English conversations. Let's get together is an invitation or a proposal to meet or assemble in one place. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, although it leans more towards casual use. This phrase suggests a desire for social interaction, collaboration, or spending time with someone for leisure, work, or discussion purposes. Casual social gatherings. In informal situations, let's get together can be an invitation to hang out, catch up, or simply spend some leisure time with friends or family. It's a way to express interest in someone's company without specifying any particular activity. For example, let's get together this weekend and have some fun. Professional settings. In a professional context, the phrase might be used to suggest a meeting, collaboration, or networking opportunity. It conveys a more structured intention to discuss work-related topics, projects, or ideas. For instance, let's get together after the conference to go over the project details. Virtual meetings. In today's digital age, let's get together can also refer to virtual meetings or video calls. It's a versatile phrase that adapts well to the online environment, where physical presence isn't possible or necessary. An example could be, let's get together on Zoom to finalize our plans. 1. Be specific. While let's get together is a great opener, follow it up with details like time, place, or activity to clarify your intentions. 2. Consider your audience. Adjust the formality of your follow-up message based on whether you're speaking to friends, family, or colleagues. 3. Be open to responses. After proposing to get together, be prepared for various responses, and be flexible with plans or alternatives. Let's get together is a wonderfully flexible phrase that can open doors to many social and professional opportunities. Whether you're planning to catch up with old friends, discuss business, or simply want to connect with someone, this phrase is your go-to starter. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding its use and meanings. Happy conversing, and see you in our next video.